Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to see how to create a file and write to it in Java. We are going to use Apache NetBeans IDE 15 for this. Here, to create a new project, we can click on this yellow new project icon, otherwise go to File, New Project. Then I will go ahead with Java with Gradle, Java application, then click on Next. I will choose the project name as File Writer and then click on Finish. Alright, this is the project section. Now if you want to close a previous project that you worked on, you can right click on it and click on close. Then it will remove from this projects list. Alright, now how we can find what is the Java file that we have to work. Here in the file writer :app, you will see something like source package. In this package, the project name that you used, you will see app.java file. That's the Java file you have to work with. Now I will remove this public string get greeting because we don't want that. We are going to create a new file. Now in this public static void, firstly we have to create the text file. For that, let's go ahead and say here print writer. Actually we have to import that package available in the java.io. let's say print writer. Then we will get some bulb like this. Then it will automatically add that class to here add by importing java.io.printWriter. That class has been imported. Then we can define a variable name. Now we are going to set this equals to a null, right? Because we are going to use a try catch statement. Here in the try, add braces. Inside braces, I will say writer is equals to new print writer. Now you will see that could ask for exception. That means we have to add catch statement. Now inside parentheses, we have to define what is the exception time that could occur. That is file not found exception, that also available in java.io. Let's go ahead and type, then we can get suggestions. File not found exception. Here you can see it asking us to import that class, import java.io.file not found exception. Now we have another type of exception to add here, which is unsupported encoding exception. That package also available in this java.io. Alright, now we can provide the variable name. This variable name come into place when this exception occur or this exception occurs. This variable come into place if one of these exception come into place. Alright, now we can add braces for this. Then we can show some error here, but we can keep some comment. There is a error like that. Now we have read the finally statement also. I will let you know why we have to use this finally statement here. Now in the new print writer, we have to add braces and then firstly we have to pass in the argument as the what is the file name with the extension. Let's go ahead and say hello.txt, and then the second argument will be what is the Unicoding type, which is and then the second argument will be what is the Unicoding type. Here it is UTF-8, UTF-8 semicolon. Alright, now we can start to write into this text file. We can say writer dot println, now parenthesis and semicolon. Inside parenthesis we can pass in the first line or the current line that we are going to write. Let's say the first line is here, and let's go ahead and other line to writer dot println. You know why we are using this println? It will create a line, and end of that line it will create a new line. Okay, the value let's pass as the second line like this. Alright, now here in the finally statement I said we have to use this finally statement come into place when this come into place and it is over, this finally statement will run. Once this code executed correctly, then finally statement will run. When this finish, this finally statement will run. Then we can close our writer dot close, and then parenthesis finally semicolon. Alright, now we can go ahead and run this. Okay, build success in 2 seconds. Now where is our text file? Here in the NetBeans we can see in this file section, go to your project name. In the app you will see this text file which is hello.txt. Here hello.txt file has been created. We can click on that. The first line is here, the second line is here. Okay, now let's go ahead and see by clicking open in system. Yeah, that's opening. Also I want to see what is the properties of it. This is the path of that NetBeans projects, project name /app/hello.txt. Alright, I will include this project code in the description, and I will see in the next lecture. Thank you.